Oh, 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 oh. I can't live without you. Oh, oh, oh.
Okay, so I just thought I'd do a little background information before I do this video. So I was originally meant to be redoing my bedroom because my nana has moved house. So I was getting her double bed and then I was going to basically rebuy a ton of furniture, basically everything apart from my wardrobe. But she hasn't yet given me the bed. It's still in her old house because she's coming down to stay every now and again. So I don't know when I'm going to get the bed. So I thought I would do my current room tour just because it had been super requested. And when I can finally redo my room, that'll be up, but that could be another few months. I thought it was going to be about April time, but who knows when it's going to happen. Okay, let's get into it. Another thing, this video is kind of a shambles. I asked on Instagram if you guys still wanted to see it and you said yes. So here it is. I'm sorry it's not perfect. Also, the mic is a little bit dodgy in this, so I'm sorry if the sound is slightly off. Hey everyone, so I'm doing a room tour today. Ignore my face, I just picked a spot. I thought I would do my room tour because everyone has been asking. It's very similar to the one I uploaded about 2 years ago, but I've moved some things around and some things have changed, so I thought I would share with you guys. Okay, let's get straight into it. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so when you walk in my room, this is kind of what you see. Ew, look how gross my chair is. I've got a studio light, so ignore that, and then I've got my wardrobes. Okay, that was the worst shot I've ever done. And then behind my door, I have my coat rack. It's where I keep all of my coats. I just have like my winter coat. This is a more dressy coat, a denim jacket I haven't worn in quite a while, my cord coats, my other denim jackets, and my dressing gown, which is the most important part. Moving along, I have this photo grid, which is pretty bare. I updated it recently with some new photos, but I did have my bed there at one point, which is why there's a weird gap. Yeah, I just haven't bought any more photos, so that's there. And then also I have some bins down here. I got this one for my new room, my redecoration, but because I haven't been able to redecorate, I don't want to use it, so it's just there. I've got a fan on there as well. That's my actual bin, that's my recycling bin that I use. Okay, then we have my desk. So this is it here. I can't speak. This is made up of 2 of the Alex drawers, and then I have, it's like a medium-sized tabletop. It's quite big, but it's not the biggest size. I think it's one down from the biggest size, so don't quote me on it. This chair is also from IKEA, but I don't know if they still sell it. It's really old, and it's gone. It's just really gross. I also have some socks there, so fun. I guess I'll just quickly show you what I've got, because it doesn't really matter, does it? Because it's not that exciting. Hey dudes. I have 2 hairdryers. Don't ask. And my straighteners. Then behind there I've just got like a couple candles, my scrunchies, yeah, random stuff. I've got all of my makeup back here, my eye palettes back here. This is my face palette, so like contour, blush. That section is all like the face stuff. Then behind there I've got my foundations and concealers. Behind that I've got my lip glosses and lipsticks. And then just down here I have like my mascaras, so it's very basic. Then I have just my perfume. I've got my makeup brushes. I've got, I don't know what crystal this is, but my mum got it for me before my GCSEs. I've got this little clock I got from my nana. I've got these 2 bracelets which are amethyst, and I'll put the other one on screen. Got this ring holder and just some like jewellery I've worn recently. I've then got this painting I got from my nana, the tablets I take. My glasses case, a book, Elephant Oliphant is completely fine. Tissues, candle, my iPad. And in the drawers, they're kind of empty because I cleared out ready for getting a smaller desk, and then my nan's still kept the bed at the moment, so can't redo it yet, so I'm just sticking with this, but I thought I'd show you what I've got. So in here I keep like my skincare stuff, so this will fit in my new desk. So I've just got general skincare and nails. And then I've got my hair stuff. I think everything else is literally just like empty containers. We've got plasters, nothing. This has got all of like my other tablets, my other glasses, Tic Tacs, an eye mask, random stuff. And here is my food drawer, and oh, I forgot I had this. A tiny teeny tiny bit of pink gin. I have to drink that. Moving across, we have my bed. I got loads of questions about my bed when I did my room redecoration. The bed is off of eBay. It's in the silver colour, I think. Yeah, it's just a silver crushed velvet one. And I got the tallest size headboard they did. I don't know what size it was, but yeah, it's that one, and it's an ottoman bed, so it lifts up. My duvet cover is just a plain one from Wilko's, and the blanket is from Dunelm. Sorry, ignore my, that's so gross, why have I just done that? My blanket is from Dunelm, it's one of the teddy bear ones, and then my cushions, I've got this pink one is from Wilko's, the silver one is from Wilko's, and I have no idea where the hot water bottle is from. And then up on the top, I've got this Dunelm like hot water bottle thing, this teddy, which I've had since I was a baby, and this, which I think I got for Christmas a few years ago. My dream catcher. This dream catcher I actually made at last year's dance summer school. We had like, as well as doing dance, we had some arts and crafts, and I made this dream catcher, which I really love. I also have this dream catcher up here, which I got years ago from my Nana and Gramps, so I just keep that up there. But then I've got another one, my fairy lights, again, can't remember where they were from. I think they were from Amazon. They're just some curtain lights. I think they were like 2 meters by 2 meters. My baby. I would have lifted the bed up to show you what I have in, but because Sammy's on there, I don't want to disturb him. Look at his little paw. So down here, this basket I actually bought for when I redo my room. So it's just kind of there because I've got stuff stored in other places at the moment, so it just doesn't make sense, but it's just there. Same with the lamp, that's for when I redo my room. I've literally bought everything, and then I've not got the bed yet, so it's very annoying. At the back, I've got a Primark bag because I've got something I need to return, and then below that I just have stuff to sell on Depop. Ignore that. Down here is my my box of bags. So this is my handbag. We just have a receipt and some sunglasses. This is my dance bag. The pink rucksack was my school bag, but obviously I'm not at school anymore. And then I've got a few like postage stuff. I keep all of my filming equipment. Photo here of my dad, my sister and I. And then this one is of my mum, my sister and I. That was Thailand, that was Croatia. I have a cactus which is pretty much dead. My Alexa is behind there. Some like random little bits. This my Nana made as well, but that's ready to go up in my new room because I don't have the place for it now. Just like random stuff. Because of the clear out I did, it's really empty. So this I just keep my work tops, belts and my work jeans, but they're all in the wash at the moment. This one is my hoodies. It's my hoodies. I've got just like really random ones. This is the pajama drawer. This is like, oh, again, you can't see, Evie, what are you doing? The dogs won't stop barking, so I'm sorry. So this is the bottoms, this is my tops. These are like the sets, and then this is the socks. Okay, just ignore the wire. So down here is my dance drawer. So I've got all of my dance tights. Sorry, this is wobbling because it's actually just balancing. I should probably try and hold it still. This is all of the dance tights. So I've got my pink ones, the tan and the black. These are my leotards, sports bras, sports leggings, tops and like nude underwear dance bras. Then moving across we have my wardrobes. So I'm just going to move this out of the way. So these are my wardrobes. They are made up of two 75cm IKEA thingies. And I opted for mirror in the middle. So this side is my like winter clothes, and then this side is more of like my summer stuff. Okay, so yeah, this is all of my tops. I did vaguely show this in one of my recent videos. It's all kind of colour coordinated, so these are the tops. That's like my summer dresses, and they're like the fancy stuff, which is really exciting. So back here, if you can see, I know the lighting isn't great. I've got my running trainers, which I bought and then didn't run again. I've got some books, including this one, which my cousin bought me, which I'm yet to read. I've also got Little Women, Everything I Know About Love, and just some like other random books back there, which I need to read. Just got a random bowl. This is my DVD player that I can connect to my laptop. And then I've just got like a ton of films like the 1D movie, Mamma Mia, Here We Go Again, Dirty Dancing, you know, all the great ones. Just like underwear, socks. Okay, this is all of my bottoms, which I've really, oh you can't see. I really squeezed everything in here, and I'm actually missing a pair of jeans from this. Some jeans, like these ones here are jeans, and I'm missing a pair. These are like trousers and culottes, and then everything else is shorts. So I do have quite the collection. I also have 2 pairs of shorts currently at the dressmaker's getting a new zip. So I don't know how they're going to fit in there. But it's fine, we can deal. Okay, I can't reach. Oh, ignore my like knobbly knee. So this is the swimwear collection. I've had a few requests to do like a full-on collection because I have got quite a few now. But yeah, this is one of my favourites. This is from H&M. This is from ASOS. This is Black Bow. I've got a couple bucket hats, some flip-flops, cover-ups. Yeah. Okay, next half, here's all of like, I've got like long sleeves, winter sweatshirts, and then like knitted stuff. So if I move this back, you can see I've got all my painting stuff at the back. I've got like a sketch pad thing, my Enchanted Forest book, palette and stuff. I've not organised this very well because you can't really see. And then back here, this is all of my camera stuff. So I've got my camera bag, my other tripod, I've got things like AirPods, screen cleaner, my microphone bag, chargers. It's a real mess, honestly. In this half, at the back I've got, I don't know if you can see that, I've got all of like my notebooks and my stationery and stuff. This bit here is all of like my singing stuff and like dance stuff. And then this is like my stationery, so I've just got these from Wilko's, which work really well to just keep all of my pens in. So I've got just like general pens, highlighters, black pens, fine liners, Sharpies, general pencil case, my favourite pair of scissors. It's all just random stuff, really. So back here I've got all of my heels. You can't really see. My chunky heels at the back, my thinner heels here, and then a pair of shoes which doesn't fit with the rest because I've gone a bit crazy on shoes. This is more of like my trainers, so I've got my work ones, a pair of boots. These 2 are probably my most worn in this drawer, apart from my work ones. And then I've just got these 2 at the back. These are from Primark. Yeah. I love these drawers though, they work really, really well. These are my other shoes. These are my most worn. These are just some Primark, like, slip-ons. I've got my Vans at the back, I've got my Converse, my Diodoras, and then some Primark ones there. I think that's everything. Oh no. Okay, so this is going to be tough to show as well. Hey, at the top I've got these boxes, so let me just think. In here I've got some just like documents and my scrapbook and just like old photos. This one I think is bags, like smaller bags I don't use that often, so like clutch bags, small rucksacks. This one is spares, so like spare toothpaste, my makeup brush cleaner, and then this one is more like holiday stuff, like sun creams, travel size. I think that's everything. Oh my god, I did it. Okay, I'm just gonna say bye here rather than splitting my head in 2. Hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know where I should be looking. Like, should I be looking down here or down there? I'll look down there. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. It was very, very random, but this was really requested, so I wanted to do it. Sorry, it's not my room, my new like redecorated bedroom. I have no idea when that's happening, but hopefully soon, because the whole of my under of my bed is all of the new stuff I've bought for my room, like new duvet, new blankets, new cushions, literally everything.
I can't breathe without your